springtime, and we thought it was time. Spring's in the air. We're feeling a bit, you know, there's sun shining. And I've also got a special on this book for another 2 days. So it finishes tomorrow, like the 31st. And I'm going to do a recipe out of the old school. I don't know how long ago this is, 2015, long time. But it's got really delicious soup recipes in it. It comes as an ebook for the Insider Club. And we're going to do the raw cream of spinach soup, which I actually did in Bali. I think, was it the first trip? No, it was the second trip. Hey, the second trip. And everyone's a bit surprised by it because it seems a little bit weird because you literally just throw everything in and blend it up. So that's what we're going to do. Let's do that before we start talking too much. It's really, really good for you. So we've got some echallots here that are going in. Or shallots, I don't know what you call them, everyone calls them something. And some garlic. Oh, that's going to be strong. You having some too, Brie? And a chilli, a little chilli. I'll just bring this over. We've got coriander roots here. And we've also got, I think, some fresh mint. I might just take the stalks off, not that it matters. So you obviously don't get it above a certain temperature. And this is actually not cooked at all, but it's so yummy. Okay, so in goes the avo, 2 dates that have been pitted, some pulp-free carrot juice that I made this morning, and we've just spent about an hour cleaning the juices. So if you can buy this already juiced, it's a good idea. I don't want to have like the whole carrot in there. We're after a soup texture. So I'm just going to put that in. And then we've got some tamari. For it to be truly raw, you should use the Namo shoyu, which is unpasteurized. So that keeps the temperature thing in. I'm just guessing here, but 65 grams. I'll just go for it. I should probably weigh it. Also, we're putting just a handful of rocket. So this is nice and peppery and bitey, which I really like, the rocket. And then quite a bit of spinach, so we'll just fill the bowl up a bit. 2 handfuls there. A little bit of white wine. And you can see I'm carefully measuring, which is what I do, but follow the recipe. And then I am going to measure the oil. So there's 100 grams of evu, also the juice of a lime. So I'll just put that in. Feel free to ask me any questions. And of course the book version is just $11 at the moment. So, and that's a special we've been running for, there's some awesome recipes in there. It's a chocolate soup recipe. How could you not love that? I think this is one of my favourites though, and I never make it because it's a bit of a fiddle with the carrot juice. So I'm kind of excited for lunch today, or even for morning tea. Hey Brie. Breakfast. Brunch. Any questions? Yeah? No? I know you're in shock because I'm actually on here. I've been really avoiding it a little bit. I've been avoiding the lives just because I've got to put makeup on in the mornings. It's all too much. Okay, so now I'm going to add some evu and I will weigh that. Oh, settle down. And I'm using this beautiful evu that I got from Grecian purveyors in Sydney. Thank you very much, guys. And it's from Greece. So we need 100 grams. And that will just add a real smooth texture and mouthfeel, which is what you want with a soup. This would be stunning as a dressing for, you know, a salad or oysters or seafood or anything like that. I think that's it. Have I got it all, Brie? Just double check. I think so. Okay, so now we're just going to blend, and you know that 2 minutes in Thermomix time is a really long time, so you'll have to talk to me. Send me questions so that I can answer questions. I hope you can all hear me, actually. No complaints? We haven't done a test, but I have a new phone, so we think it's working. So I think speed 8 goes up to speed 8. Yeah. So 2 minutes on speed 8, and you're and you're done. You've got lunch. I guess. You're wearing it. I'll just show you a few recipes. Lots of gluten-free. We do have dessert, of course. There's a spiced chocolate soup for the soul. I don't know if you can hear any of that anyway. And gluten-free everywhere. And then the extras that go with soup. This is delicious. This is so good. This Parmesan cream, oh my gosh, it's the best. I love this quote from Beethoven. Eat on noodles, chorizo cabbage. Oh, thank goodness for that. Okay, how are you going? Talking to myself probably. Okay, so I'm just going to scrape this down, but look at that beautiful colour. Isn't that the colour of spring? It's kind of bright and vibrant. And you could reblend at this point. In fact, the recipe says to do so, but we're just going to go for it because, you know, we're chatting to you. So the longer you go with the blend, the silkier it'll get. And you can see that is a soup texture, even though it's just raw ingredients. Okay. So, any questions before I go in?
People just saying they love your recipes.
Oh, good. That's good. Yum. This is so good, Brie. Chink. Let's try it. Oh, I can feel spring. Actually, it's sort of Asian, isn't it? I haven't had this for so long.
Not since Bali.
Isn't that delicious?
So good.
This is so good, guys. And you can have a soup in 2 minutes, plus the juicing of the carrots. But, you know, you get the idea. So I hope you have a great day. I hope you're ready for spring. And please go and get this if you haven't got it already. $11, including postage. No, plus postage, sorry. And you've got all the soup recipes you need for this year and next year. And, oh, don't forget, insiders, it's your second last day to use your Pepe Saya butter discount. So you've got today and tomorrow. So go make advantage of that, take advantage of that, and have a lovely day. And we'll see you next time. Bye.